One-step equations. Remember, the goal with one-step equations is to get the variable on one side of the equation by itself. We accomplish this goal by using inverse operations. Remember, whatever you do to the one side of the equation must be done to the other side also. Let's look at these problems. To undo addition, use subtraction. X plus 8 equals 30. We want to get x by itself, so we're going to subtract 8 from both sides of the equal sign. The positive 8 minus 8 leaves just the x on the one side. 30 minus 8 leaves 22, so x equals 22. Remember, we check our work by substituting our answer back into the original problem. Instead of x, we'll put 22. 22 plus 8 equals 30. To undo subtraction, we use addition. X minus 24 equals 18. This means we're going to add 24 to both sides of the equal sign. This leaves x on the one side, and 18 plus 24 is 42 on the other. Substitute back in your number into x and put into the calculator. 42 minus 24, and hopefully it gives us 18. 10 and 8/10 equals 2 and 4/10 plus x. Same problem, still we have a positive 2.4, so we're going to subtract 2.4 from both sides of the equal sign. This leaves x on the one side, and when we do our subtraction, we get 8.4. There's another mistake I made. 8.4 on the other. So notice with this problem, it doesn't matter which side of the problem the variable is on. We still solve the problem in the same manner. Next, x minus 1.9 equals 0.53. Same process, subtraction, so we're going to add 1.9 to both sides. When you do this addition, hopefully we get 2 and 43/100. Again, check your work. Put into the calculator 2.43 minus 1.9, and hopefully we get 0.53. Last two examples are fractions. 5/8 plus 9 equals 1 and 2/4. We're going to subtract 5/8 from both sides of the equation. That leaves us with n on one side and 5/8 on the other side. Again, check your work by substituting in 5/8 for the n and put into the calculator 5/8 plus 5/8, and it should give us 1 and 2/4. Our last example, 5/7 equals n minus 1/2. Since we're subtracting 1/2, we're going to add 1/2 to both sides of the equation. This leaves us with n equals 1 and 3/14.